Thank you for coming. Okay. Welcome back to the Fitness Marshall channel. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell for notifications, and we're gonna start this song so you can keep your workout up, keep that heart rate up.
I will always remember.
Hit. This is the oops move. Step out right foot. Bye, 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 like in sync. Step back right foot, chill. Chill. Chill, jump out and roll that booty up. Good job. Now we're gonna step to the right. Ha. Put your peace signs up. I'm pretty sure I took selfies like that in 2002.
Well, I guess that was true.
Next, we're gonna do some variation of a lean with it and a rock with it. Right arm.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends.
Now present.
And it went like
here we go. Step out. Right foot.
If you wanna go and take a
jump
ride with me,
out.
better hit me, baby, one more time.
Step. You are just living your life here. Run it back. Step out. Woo. Peace sign. Put me in your top 8, please. I was never cool enough to be in anyone's top 8.
I'm taken back to 2002.
Lean with it, rock with it, go.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends.
Present.
And it went like this.
Oops.
Oops, I got
step out.
Singing bye, bye, bye.
Chill.
Hold up. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young.
Run it back.
Singing off the top of both our lungs on the day
jump
we fell
out.
in love. On the day we fell in love.
Get low.
Dancing on a hood in the middle of the
Tell the children of the stories of when you were young. Get up. Here we go. Chill. Step out. Right foot.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
Step.
Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young.
Run it back.
Singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in
jump.
love. On the day we fell in
Like
love.
someone has a match under your booty.